If you've heard about Gluco Ali and are wondering if it really works, let me share my experience with you and everything you need to know before buying it. Stick around until the end, because I have an important warning to help you avoid scams. So, Gluco Ali is a natural supplement specifically designed to help regulate blood sugar levels, whether you're managing type 2 diabetes, prediabetes, or just trying to maintain stable levels in a healthy way. What makes it stand out from other products is that it's completely natural, no harsh chemicals, no added sugar, and it's gluten-free. That gave me a lot of confidence that it was safe for me to try. And honestly, since I started using it, I've noticed a big improvement in my energy and overall mood throughout the day. But before I go on, here's a super important warning. There are a ton of fake versions of this product out there. It's crazy how many knockoffs show up when something actually works, so be careful. I only trust the official website to buy it, and I'll leave the link in the description and the first pinned comment below so you can find it easily. This way, you'll get the original product and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Don't risk your health with fake products. Now, what really caught my attention about Gluco Ali was its formula. The ingredients are carefully chosen to naturally help stabilize blood sugar levels. It works by targeting something called the insulin-degrading enzyme, which plays a big role in blood sugar fluctuations. This unique formula is what makes it so effective. And let me tell you, it's completely safe. You can use it confidently, knowing you're putting something natural and healthy into your body. Since I started taking Gluco Ali, I've noticed clear changes in how I feel. My energy levels are up, and that constant tiredness I used to have is practically gone. Of course, everyone's body is different, so results may vary, but I personally started noticing improvements within the first few weeks. Now let me emphasize something. Gluco Ali isn't a miracle cure. It works, but you need to use it correctly. I take 1 capsule a day with a glass of water, and combining that with a balanced diet has made all the difference. I even recommended it to a friend, but she didn't follow the instructions properly, and obviously, her results weren't as good as mine. If you visit the official website, you'll also find lots of testimonials from other people who've tried Gluco Ali and had great results. That gave me even more confidence to keep using it and recommending it to others who might be on the fence. So, if you're ready to try Gluco Ali and take a safe, natural step toward better health, click the link I've left in the description and the first pinned comment below. Don't take chances buying it anywhere else. The official website is the only place that guarantees you're getting the real product and gives you that 60-day money-back guarantee to try it risk-free. I hope my experience has helped you make a more informed decision. If you've already tried it or have any questions, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Take care of yourself and see you next time.